Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well today, and I want to welcome you into my garden. It is early in the morning, and I thought I would get out before the airplanes are coming through, the flight lessons, the lawn mowing, all of that stuff, and I thought that I would just get out here and do a few miscellaneous things. I'm gonna put new pillow covers on my pillows. I have an umbrella coming, so the umbrella will match there will be shades of green in it to match the pillow covers that I have. I am going to plant some Asiatic lilies in the bedroom garden, and also I am going to prune up the columnar ligustrums because they're pretty sporadic there with, they're not, even and everything. I've just kind of let them grow so I could get enough growth on it to prune it. So we're going to take care of that today and anything else I may find, but those are the three main things that I'm going to be doing today. So let's get started. So guys, this is the Asiatic lily that I'm going to be planting in the bedroom garden. But the question is, where? I'm going to try to figure out where to put it. I'm going to play around with a few locations and see what works best, and then we'll get it planted. This particular lily grows about 10 to 12 or so, well, no, it's 12 to about 15 inches tall and wide. So I need to make sure wherever it goes, it's kind of in the front, so to speak, because almost everything else over here gets taller than that. So we're gonna put it in a few places and just kind of look and see what feels right and what doesn't. My ultimate goal when I purchased this was that I wanted to divide it so that I can, you know, make my money stretch. Instead of buying multiple pots of it, I chose to get a pot that had multiple plants in it. And by doing this, you know, you're making that one pot become multiples. And lilies grow pretty fast and, you know, multiply pretty quickly. So I don't expect that I will have to wait long for one lily to become multiples. So I definitely didn't have to wait for my daylilies. They multiply just so quickly. So that's what I'm hoping for with the Asiatic lilies. So let's find a spot and then let's get this lily planted and we will go from there. All right, guys. Well, I have the lilies in, and I have the pillow covers on, and I'm waiting on the umbrella to come. So I'm going to do a final reveal once the umbrella comes. You'll see that. But guys, let's take a look at what the lilies look like in their new home. Right now my little lily is leaning. Let's get it upright. There we go. Okay guys, so as I'm working hard in the bedroom garden, I look over and I see little Miss Tika. And she's just sitting smack dab in the middle of my yarrow, and I don't understand why. I mean, part of the plant is laying down sideways, the middle is just flat, and she's just as comfortable as she can be. Tika, why are you in my yarrow? I tell you, this cat, she's always into something. But let's just take a quick look at the yard before we head back to the bedroom garden and finish up. Everything's just so pretty. The sun patience, the verbena, just so lovely and bright and vibrant, you know. The boxwood hedge, looking good. The pillow covers, I like those. So everything is coming along. We just have to get the pots done and the hanging baskets up. But that's it, guys. Well, guys, I was hoping that I would be able to get a few lilies out of that one container. That container was $12.98 from Lowe's, the blue and white store. And I was, you know, trying to make the most of that one purchase, and I was expecting there to be about 4, which I originally counted, but it ended up being 5 in there. So I had to figure out where to put that last little baby, and that one is the one that I put back there in that corner right there. So it's the one that I put in front of the glitterati pentis, and so I was going to move it back a little bit, but since the pentis is there, I'm going to leave it there for this season. Next season, I'll probably just let the lily multiply and kind of take over that corner there, and maybe stick a red pentis somewhere behind it, because keep in mind the pentis will get a good little height once it grows. So I'm looking forward to seeing what these Asiatic lilies look like once they are established. It says they grow 10 to 12 inches tall. And I love that it has that deep burgundy center with a little bit of coral orange around the outer edge. So it will bring a shade of red into here that's a little different from the others, but will still blend in good. I really like it. And I like my new pillow covers. So we're coming along. And guys, I think that is going to be it for today. I want to thank you for joining me and gardening with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.